I hit this issue to date, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to lock your Cash App card for security reasons, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Go to Card Settings. Tap on the card icon located at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to the card settings where you can manage your card features. Step 3. Lock your card. In the card settings, look for the option that says Lock Card. Tap on it to secure your card and prevent any unauthorized transactions. Step 4. Confirm lock. You may be prompted to confirm your action. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the locking process. This ensures that your card is securely locked. Step 5. Check status. After locking your card, return to the card settings to verify that the status shows as locked. This will give you peace of mind knowing your card is secure. Remember, if you ever need to unlock your card, just follow the same steps and select the Unlock Card option. Stay safe and enjoy using Cash App.